Samsung 50-inch power board. Usual suspect caps. They appear to be okay. I had noticed that the two main caps here were slightly bulging, but you know, didn't look particularly bad. Have squashed them down a little bit just to get the TV to work, to make sure that it was them, and then it fired up. So assuming that was correct, and bought some replacements from RS there. You can see there, 270 microfarad, 450 volt, and there's the model number, should anyone need it. And I'll post an update.